In this lesson, we'll explore the core design principles and aesthetics that drive effective user interface design. Whether you're building a website or an app, understanding these principles is crucial for creating intuitive and visually appealing user experiences. These concepts not only influence how users interact with products, but also determine their engagement with the design. By mastering design principles, you can elevate the usability and attractiveness of your digital products. Balance in design refers to the distribution of visual weight within a layout. There are two types of balance: symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance is achieved when elements are evenly arranged, while asymmetrical balance uses unequal elements to create a sense of stability. Both types help maintain harmony in a design, guiding the viewer's eye across the screen and creating a sense of order and equilibrium. Contrast helps create visual interest and focus. By contrasting colors, shapes, or sizes, designers can guide users' attention to key elements, such as buttons, headers, or calls to action. High contrast can emphasize important items, while low contrast can be used for background elements to prevent visual overload. Effective contrast enhances readability and usability, making the design both functional and visually dynamic. Hierarchy is a design principle that involves arranging elements in order of importance. By adjusting the size, color, and position of elements, designers can communicate which parts of a design should capture the user's attention first. Larger fonts, bolder colors, and strategic placement help establish a clear visual path, guiding users through the interface in a way that aligns with the goals of the design. Alignment is the principle of organizing elements in a way that makes them visually connected. Well-aligned elements are easy to follow and create a clean, organized appearance. Alignment can be applied horizontally or vertically, ensuring that content is arranged in a structured way. Misalignment, on the other hand, can make a design feel chaotic and difficult to navigate, undermining the user experience. Repetition helps establish a visual rhythm and consistency within a design. By repeating certain elements, like colors, shapes, or fonts, designers can reinforce brand identity and make the interface feel cohesive. For example, consistent button styles across pages or repeating color schemes creates familiarity, making it easier for users to understand how the interface works and how to interact with it. Proximity is the practice of grouping related items together. This helps users quickly understand the relationship between different elements. For example, related information like form fields or buttons should be placed near each other to avoid confusion. Simplicity in design is key to user satisfaction. By eliminating unnecessary elements and focusing on core functionality, you can make interfaces that are easy to use and understand. A clean, minimalistic design reduces cognitive load, allowing users to focus on the tasks at hand without distractions. Airbnb's website redesign is a great example of effective design principles. By applying balance, contrast, and hierarchy, Airbnb created a visually appealing, user-friendly website. The simplicity of the interface allows users to quickly find what they need, while strategic use of colors and typography helps guide them through the booking process. The redesign focuses on user needs, improving overall satisfaction. Aesthetic quality goes beyond beauty. It's about creating a cohesive experience that enhances usability. Aesthetic elements like color, typography, and imagery should support the functionality of the design, making the interface easier to navigate and more engaging. Thoughtful use of aesthetics helps create emotional connections with users, enhancing their overall experience and making them more likely to return. Color and typography are crucial elements of aesthetic design. Colors evoke emotions and set the tone for the interface, while typography ensures readability and defines the overall style. A limited color palette and consistent fonts make a design feel unified and professional. For example, Dark text on a light background improves readability, while a harmonious color scheme supports the brand's message. Prototyping and testing are essential steps to validate your aesthetic choices. By creating interactive prototypes, you can test colors, fonts, and layouts to see how they function in real-world scenarios. User feedback during this phase helps refine the design, ensuring that aesthetic choices not only look good, but also improve usability and user engagement. To deepen your understanding of design principles and aesthetics, explore these tutorials. Design Principles for Beginners on Coursera, UI Design Fundamentals on Udemy, and The Art of Color and Typography on LinkedIn Learning. These courses will give you a solid foundation in design theory, helping you apply principles and aesthetics to create better products. Today, we covered key design principles such as balance, contrast, hierarchy, alignment, repetition, and simplicity. We also explored how these principles are applied in real-world design, like Airbnb's redesign. Understanding these principles is essential for creating intuitive, visually appealing designs that users can easily interact with. Mastering design principles and aesthetics leads to improved user engagement and satisfaction. By creating interfaces that are visually appealing and functional, you can build products that resonate with users and provide a seamless experience. Aesthetic design is not just about looking good. It's about creating meaningful, engaging interactions that drive business success.